ayisuka anifune namuntu onengqondo wazi ukuthi ukhuluma ngani hamba ngakini yosebenza ngakini sikhuluma isiZulu ukukile hawu vele ikhitha soyidila namakorekore kwawo uyasikhwerezela mawuqhatha amakorekore abantu abangakhaya isiZulu sithi umuthi kwere ngingakuzwa uyangikwerezela hayi ukuthi sithi kwere ngoba ungakhathi uyikwerekore ngani suka la.
You want me to apologize for what? I need to understand. Ngoba ningimbone khona lapha ngithi mina ngiyaboniseka nami ngiphinde ngibonise njoba imningi nje imbono okunye sikubhekayo ukuthi is it the tone that is an issue, even if the tone was justifiable, but at the end of the day I tone was disrespectful. Even if it was justified, that one I can apologize for corner. That one I can apologize definitely, and my family is not proud of speaking ngaleya tone. As for ukuthi ngithe ikwerekora, explain that ukuthi kaZulu ingane zami kugogwazo eyikhuluma isingisi kugogwazo amakwerekwere. Ingane zami ezabesuthu ngizala besuthu ke mina ezami ingane ezase Free State ngishadele Free State ngoba khona nabafuna ukwazi nokuthi kwenzakaleni. Ingane zami zamakwerekwere ekhaya kithi abesuthu baze bezawabize ngamahlokohloko wami ugogo akusiyinhlamba leyo. So if ufundise ngendlela ofundiseke ngayo, I cannot be apologetic about that ngoba wena kukuthi usalile la usale khona. Futhi okwesibili isilungu sakho, it's your choice ukukhuluma isilungu. Mina ngangisifundela ukuthi ngikwazi ukuphuma la ngifuna ukuphuma khona, but akusiyimpoqo. Mina ke zimbasada yeZulu Kingdom, I advocate for our people. So if people don't understand that ukuthi mina responsibility yami yini, hayi boba nenkinga. I don't go around ngihambe kungathi ngikhohli ukuthi ubani. And it's my right ukukhuluma ulimi lwami because ngabe ifocus ishiftile kwakhulunywa ngolimi ukuthi enjalo nje ubheda isingisi enjalo nje this ukuthi ngisibheda because ngicabange ngesiZulu ngenxa ukuthi ngidiniwe ngihlukumezekile and ngiyaphuthuma and kunabantu abanye abacabanga ukuthi nginenkinga njoba ngikhona lapha inkinga eqondene nabo kanti it wasn't about them. So mina needed to do what I needed to do and leave engikubizelwe lapha. So if uthi ngiyasangana, definitely you are not wrong. Ukusangana ke mawungisanganisa ngizokusanganela.
The reason why I ended up saying it's teaching people about amakwerekwere. People think ukuthi ikwerekwere inhlamba. They think that refers to abantu abama foreigner in our country. No, ikwerekwere akusiyinhlamba. Abantu bakaZulu bebenento yokuthi uma bengakuzwi language that you speak, whether you are Pedi, you are Tswana, you are whatever language oyikhulumayo, bese lokhu ngikwerekwerezela angikuzwa. It doesn't refer to abantu bangaphandle elakusiyinhlamba leyo. So abantu because usebenzisa ingonyama ibingeke izithuka abantu, and already people are attacking ukuthi ingonyama ayikwazi ukuthi ikhulume nabantu kanjena ithuka abantu yona ibine responsibility ibiza abantu ngamakwerekwere. Akusiyo. Don't feel intimidated. I mean, don't feel as if when usuthukiwe because kuthiwa wena ikwerekwere akusiyinhla inhlamba leyo. Nami mangifika kumavenda, uma ngifika kumapedi, ngifika ngikhuluma ilanguage bengangizwa ukuthi ngithini ngiyakwereza kubona mina. So I cannot be offended by leyo language because akusiyinhlamba kithi. Besides abantu abavela somewhere kwamanye amazwe in Upper Africa kukhona namakwerekwere ngokwesizwe samangoli alelo khaya.
Nanso ke guys, usophendulile usisi wethu lana, hope niphendulekile. Uma nakaphenduleki njengamsola, so I search something like Google and thola ukuthi like Makaranga, is the people we called Amashona manje. So what's lana Amakaranga, they were powerful kingdoms in the Zimbabwe plateau as early as the 11th century and are often cited as the primary ancestors of the modern Shona. Lokusho ukuthi Amashona lokubitwa ukuthi Amashona manje la abantu baseZimbabwe bekungama Karanga before kufika labantu be ama colonizers ngo 1931. So niyazi like as we know ukuthi like asilinganise for an example njengamaZulu as Zulu Kingdom. Amongst the Zulu Kingdom kukhona ama regional clans kuthiwa bomhlongo bokhoza bobanibani indzawo kuba netindzawo ukuthi la kabani kaZuma indzaweni leso so nakhona amongst the Karanga Kingdom there were regional clans people identified as amasezuri, amanyika, amakhorekore and amandau, depending on their lineage and locality. So the name Kwerekwere comes from the name Khorekore, which means those people, amongst those Shona people, kukhona abantu akuthiwa amakhorekore. So khorekore kungathiwa inhlamba kuphinde kungathiwa inhlamba depending ukuthi umuntu ufila kanjani, but khorekore there were people abantu abebekhona, there were regional clans labe wakhona amongst the Karanga kingdom, which is Amashona people now. So I don't know what to think, but kona kube wrong uma sekabala indzaba ukuthi atshela liphoyisa ukuthi aliyelo sebentele endzaweni yalo. Logo it was uncalled for. So siyamxolisela useswethu. So I don't know guys what you think. Now ungaya ku Google uyothi seshela ubone ufunze wati uphendule kangcono ubuye utokhomenta usho ukuthi yini wena lo uyitholile after sewende yakho i-research. But kwerekwere khorekore for mina there's no different. So I'm out. Peace.